Good morning, guys. Let's have a quick look at your markets for today. Let's start off with the calendar. So as you can see, there's actually nothing happening today on the calendar. We had some Q2 retail sales for the New Zealand dollar and nothing else expected for today. So let's look at market sentiment. We'll go to the technicals first. As you can see, it seems to be a little contradictory. We've got euro dollar saying strong buy, so that's bullish euro. Here we've got it neutral and strong sell. That's contradictory, so they don't know what to do with the euro. Then we've got the dollar saying, the pound dollar saying strong buy. That's again bearish dollar. Here we've got bearish dollar. Here we've got bearish dollar, neutral. So it looks like it's bearish dollar. Euro is undecided, and the pound could be potentially bullish. Commodities, we've got two strong buys, so that might be an indication that we'll lose some volume in forex because people will be putting the money into commodities. Then on the indexes, we've got the S&P 500 on neutral, the FTSE has a strong sell, and the Euro stocks has a strong sell, which is contradictory to this signal for the euro that says a strong buy, but that could be just because the dollar is bearish. That could be why this one is a strong buy, whereas the other ones are either neutral or sell. So we'll keep an eye on that. Yeah, with the S&P neutral, it does not really give us an indication of what market sentiment is. We've got the pound saying strong sell on the FTSE and the euro saying strong sell. So let's have a look at the charts. As you can see, the dollar index is in this triangle thing. On Friday we had that big move up again, especially on the pound we had a good move, and now it's kind of just giving up those gains again, retracing to this level that we see here. So we'll see what it does. If it breaks through, rebounds from that level, we'll see what it does. We'll keep an eye on that. Here we've got the euro pound. It looks like it's moving up. I don't think I'm going to take a trade on this pair. It's at a level that we could keep an eye on, but I mean, it's all over the place. There's no strong indication. So when it's like this, I'd rather range trade it, like between this level and this level. I'd rather range trade that, not somewhere in the middle. It could go either way. So I mean, here it went up again. It didn't go all the way down. So it can go either way. I'm not trading this. Dollar yen, we've got this little triangle forming, waiting for a breakout here to either side. It's ranging on the upper end of the triangle, but it's moving down again. And as I realized from the technicals, it looks like it's bearish dollar sentiment. So this is expected to go down after this triangle is broken. But we'll keep an eye on it and see. Wait for the breakout first. Dollar CHF already broke out of the triangle. We can potentially take a short there, although it's at a key level. This level is quite important. It's actually below that level. Yeah, I could potentially see shorting this. Odd USD. That's a beautiful breakout to the upside. We can potentially look to see it move all the way to this level. Wait for the retrace and then go long. Dollar CAD, this is still going to keep going down. CAD is one of the more stable currency pairs. It's linked to oil because of the oil exports, so we can expect this to keep going down. And then the euro dollar, we have this upside down flag thing going. As you can see, it's right at the upper end of this upside down flag. Now, with the dollar sentiment being negative, or bearish, we expect to see this break to the upside. But this traditionally, this flag pattern is a continuation pattern, and as you can see from the overall trend, we've also have it in the standard deviation channel at the upper edge. Now we expect to see this stochastic turn cross soon. Within the next 2 or 3 candles we can expect that to cross, which could indicate a move back to median, to this blue line or this level there. It's actually this middle line is median, but I'm going to trade it just to this level because there's not a lot of economic events today. We might not see a lot of volume, so we'll take the safe route and go for the first level for take profit that we can get. So we'll keep an eye on it. It might break to the upside with bearish dollar sentiment, or it might recover. We'll keep an eye on it. Wait for the breakout before you open the trade, because we saw the euro, that signal that we had there, we saw that it was a strong sell on the euro stocks. So you know that's an indication that we could potentially see this move back down, and a continuation of this overall trend we can expect. Whereas the dollar is bearish overall, it might actually not affect this pair. I mean, it will consolidate, but I expect to see a breakout to the downside because of the euro stocks being negative. The dollar is also bearish, but I think overall the euro is suffering a lot more than the dollar, and we've got this beautiful, you know, it's again an area of high confluence. We've got the upper trend line, you know, that trend line there. We've got this key level that's been a support level across multiple days. Let's go to the big chart again and I'll show you. If we go zoom out, you'll see it there, here. It's been a key level in multiple instances, even way back. If you go further back, you'll see it. Let's just go to the bigger time frame, that's easier. You'll see it bounce there and there and there. You know, this level has been key for a while now, and I expect it will hold, and that is what makes this current price range where it is now an area of high confluence. This key level, the overall downward trend, it'll also hit the 50 exponential moving average in the next few candles potentially, and we'll have a cross of the stochastic on the overbought level. All of those are indicators that it should come down. So I expect it to trade short here, even though we've got bearish dollar sentiment. We also have bearish euro sentiment, and then purely on technicals, the move should be to the downside. So that's what I expect to see today. Hope it helps. Good luck and enjoy.